Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. So sit tight and watch the video to the end to find out what I've ordered this time. Without further ado, let's start cutting. I'm gonna use my trusty knife from AliExpress. Let's start with the flat package. Let's move the big one out of the way. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Do me a favor, leave a comment below, and if you don't know what to write in your comment, just leave a comment with a smiley so YouTube can recommend my videos to more people. Alright. Oh, there's more inside. So this is what was inside the first package. Is a blade. Is a blade for, you can see here, is a blade for the brush cutter. A brush cutter. So as you can see, is a blade, and it is for a brush cutter. There are some drawings here, you can see. So this package came with two blades, and I guess this is these are tools to tighten the blade when you put it in the brush cutter. All right. Let's bring the big package here. So there's more than one package inside this big package. Sometimes AliExpress does combined shipping, where if you order a lot of package, they don't necessarily have to be from the same seller. They would get combined together and shipped at the same time. That way you save on the shipping cost. So that's one package. There's another package, and the third package. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's start with this, right? I don't really need a knife for this one. I can just tear it up with my fingers. Okay, this is similar to one of those speaker I unboxed on one of my previous videos. It's exactly the same speaker, as you can see. This one is a little bit bigger though, and the solar panel is also bigger, and this one has two speakers. But other than that, it's this exactly the same speaker. You have the remote control here, and then you have a USB-C. No, it's just a USB and a port for charging the item. And then you have a user manual. Then you have a user manual here, and it comes in different languages. I can see French, English, German, yes. So French is in English, French, German, and on this side Yeah, you have more languages. And this is probably, I'm not gonna guess, but you have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 languages. One of them being French, the other one being English, and the other one being German, and Chinese, of course. So it's pretty much as the other speaker I ordered. So if you turn it on here, right now it's on. All right. Oh no, it wasn't off. These buttons are tiny. Like, if your fingers are too fat, you won't be able to turn it on. So once it's off, no, yes. So now it's off. Let's place it there. We place it there, and yes. And the last thing that was in the box was the screws. Next thing. Okay, and these are just, I think these are counters, manual counters. Made of plastic, pretty easy to use, just, and then when you're done, you get them back. Yeah, so these are just manual counter. If you have a lot of stuff to count, you can just press it to count it. So it's the same in here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 manual counters. And the last box, all right. Cool. So the last box is a solar lamp. It looks beat up, so let's open it, and hopefully there's nothing damaged inside. Everything is well and sound. Alright, so let's put this one on the side. Okay, this is made of plastic. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it was going to be made of metal, or at least stronger plastic than this, because metal is more durable. Or if this plastic is thicker, then you know it's more durable as well. You do have a remote control that comes with it, some screws to tie it up on the wall. Two AAA batteries. And the solar panel itself. And of course here you have an installation manual. And is in English. So if you don't speak English, you can use Google Translate. Take a picture and then it translates it to for you. And so here's the solar panel. This whole thing is made out of plastic, but it feels like it's cheap plastic. It's not, I mean, if you get one of these, try definitely not to drop it on the floor, because it's gonna break in small pieces. That's how this plastic feels. But anyway, it says it's 600 watt. I'm skeptic that this thing can produce 600 watt. I'm really skeptic, because it's from AliExpress. Probably is 60 watt, but they over exaggerate and put 600 watt. But let's try to turn it on to see. So it's kind of bright, but it's not too bright. I mean, it could be that the battery inside is not fully charged, but I still doubt that this is 600 watt. I think next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order I think it's called a Lumix meter, something to measure the strength of the light output. I'm gonna order one of those, because that way I can really measure if it's how close it is to the claim numbers. But I'm pretty sure this doesn't give a 600 watt output. I'm more inclined to believe that it's like a 60 watt output, not 600. But anyway, that's everything I had on this for this unboxing. Yeah, stay tuned if you want to see the reviews of some of these things. I think there's reviews for this thing coming at some point, and it's gonna be reviewed with the small one I bought. Once they're installed, I'm gonna tell you how it works and how well it works. This thing. The same goes for this one. Yeah, there's also a review coming. This one as well. I mean, anything I unbox here on this channel, there is a review coming. Anything I unbox on this channel, there is a review coming. Some of the reviews are gonna come gradually, because some of these things needs to be installed, and most of them are not gonna be installed where I'm currently right now. They're gonna be installed 7,000 kilometers away from where I am. So be patient, subscribe to the channel for those reviews, and if you watched the video and you're still here, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you like the video, smash that thumbs up. Please do leave a comment below. That helps the channel. It pleases the algorithm, so my videos get recommended to more people. So definitely drop a comment down below. And if you don't have anything to write in the comment, just drop a comment with a smiley or a thumbs up, whatever, in the comment below. Until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.